Hi, my name is Hart, author of many books on how to draw and how to draw manga. And the latest one is Manga 100, the Cute Collection, all sorts of cute characters. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a really simple one that's very cute. It is a robot pet. This robot, artificial intelligent pet, is this genre is cute and popular in Japan. We have a whole chapter on them. Easy to draw and just adorable. So let me show you how to do it. We'll start off with the basic structure, just an oval, a small oval, and a giant head compared to a smaller body. So that's just to give you the basic framework, and we'll add the guidelines. Just bisect it in half for the center line, and then put the eye line way down here. See, it's good to have the guidelines because they remind you where everything should be placed in relation to everything else. So very low down, and to center it even more, we'll give a little bit of a bump there for the bridge of the nose, a little dot for the nose, and on either side far apart is cute. Give hints like that in the book. We'll make some slightly thicker dot eyes. You don't need much more than that to make it expressive. There you go. Now notice that it's important not just the shape of the eyes, but they're basically the same distance from the center line. That keeps them looking even. And here is a little kind of perplexed mouth, very little, because the star of this mouth expression is that silly little tooth, this rabbit's tooth. Tiny eyebrows way up. The higher up they go, the less big or long they have to be because they're very expressive, like being up high. Now let's give him his little kind of like simplified hands in front of his face, which are really nothing more than ovals again. And you'll see why he is a robot character in a moment, but let's get the basic look before we tackle those crazy ears. And here we go, a little tummy, little thing for the tummy, and this sort of donut for the tail, which is our first indication that he's not a regular rabbit. We can even give him some striping here, like that. And over here, just a little bit of a tuft of hair, and going to the outside of the face, not attached to the muzzle, are the whiskers. And over here we're going to create a tube instead of ears. This is going to be his robot part. So same thing over here, but first right here let's bring this down here like a pipe. He's going to be the rabbit that helps water the lawn and maintain the garden. That's his job. So make it nice and thick so it has presence, and then in perspective, a flattened curve here, and a little bit of depth right in here. Shade that right in there, and a couple of watering holes there for the can. It's like a watering can, but on his head. Same thing over here. This is going behind the head. See, you can see this right here, but this is behind the head. And we're going to have this one go down like so. Again, have an oval in perspective, and we'll have some more stripes here for him or her. Haven't decided yet. And so we can add a little bit of tone here to give it variety, make it more fun. A little bit of shading here, and maybe a couple of indications of feet and grass. Have a little bit of ruffles here, and now lots of little droplets of water coming down to water everything. Same here, but the problem with this guy is it's coming down and it's gonna hit him like that, which is kind of fun. So look how cute they get just by going round on round on round. I hope you enjoyed that. Lots more in the book. Manga 100, the Cute Collection. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.